the festive season. It's that time of the year where we present our friends and family with gifts, and this year is no different for me. I am making today a chocolate bark using some dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Some pistachios, some pretzels, and some dry cranberries. But most importantly, I want to show you how you can decorate your edible gift using items that you've got around the house. So for example, I've got some jars here that I've collected throughout the year. They are of all sizes, but it doesn't really matter. I've got some dried flowers. I've got some labels that I have bought God knows when. I've got a lot of ribbons, a lot. And also here I've got some jute fabric that I believe came with some flowers that were gifted to me a while back, so I kept it hoping that I will have the opportunity to use it at some point, and here we are. So that's it. Stay with me and see what I end up with.